Hi you guys, this is my first video talking since I've made this channel, or I guess since I revamped this channel, and I really wanted to make this video because I just got a package. I did win a giveaway recently from ECW_nails. I will put her in the description or somewhere on the screen here. She was hosting a giveaway and I was lucky enough to win. So I actually forgot what I won and I decided I'm just not going to go back to the video to see what it was, and I wanted to be surprised. So let's go ahead and see what I won. Oh, I got a little card. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love personalized gifts or personalized notes. She is so sweet. You guys definitely go follow her. I really enjoy her content, and she's, like I said, she's super sweet. So I see some stickers. I love stickers so much. And you know, I never actually ever get stickers, so I'm pretty excited. I gotta figure out where to put these. You'll also have to excuse me, I haven't made an actual YouTube video in so long, so just bear with me as I am readjusting. But here is the package. I'll go ahead and just show you one by one what I got. So we have this box of foils. I love foils. I actually just started getting into using them, so I'm so excited about these. I got nail stands. You can never have enough of these because I don't really do nails on myself, so I use these a lot, so I'm so excited for that. Ooh, some nail tips, and they are almond shaped, which is actually my favorite. If you haven't noticed, I do most of my nail art on almond shape. And then we have these foils. I love these so much. They're so easy to just spice up a nail. So these are really pretty. There's so much in this box. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much again, ECW_nails. So I'm not too sure what these are. Neon pigments. Okay. I will definitely have to play with these. I've never really used pigments. I think I actually have some, but like I said, I just never used them. So this is kind of cool. Cute little set to just get started with. Very pretty. I love neon colors. I love Daily Charms so much. These are just some of their glitters. If you have not tried Daily Charm, you need to, because they are so good, and I really love their gels also. What is this? Oh, 6 gel polish. You can never have enough gels. I'm so excited. What are these? Are these nail art? Yes. I don't have any of these. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to get some, but I just have not pulled the plug. So I'm so excited for this. We got that brownish color. We have, it looks like this is a white. Another like nude peachy color, like a light pink or light nude. I suck at describing colors, so excuse me. Ooh, brown. It's like a reddish brown. And then another pink. This one's really pretty. I don't even know what this brand is. Rarjasm. I've never heard of them. I definitely have to look into them and find them on Instagram. Ooh, gel polish remover, cool. I actually don't think I have anything like this, so I'm excited to try that. It's a little package. Let me open this up real quick. So that is so funny. I actually just got more of these. I love having these to display my nails. And I'm guessing these are the tapes to adhere it to there. But that is very useful. Oh, Vetsy. Oh my gosh, I've never tried anything from Vetsy. So this is a cuticle oil. I've been wanting to try Vetsy so bad. Cute. One more Daily Charm. Your stuff is so good. How cute. Foils. Oh my gosh, these are like lace. I love that. Some stickers and decals. Pretty. What is this? I don't know what this is. Maybe it's just, I don't know what this is. Sorry, I'm totally out of the camera. I think my tripod is like giving me a pain. My tripod is being a pain and it won't stay up. Sorry. I'm not too sure what this is. I'd have to definitely look into that. Some more Betsy stickers. These look like roses. And then peel off tape. These are always good to have. Aw, these are cute. These are like little, I'm sure you can see little triangles, arrows. I don't have anything like this. So these are really pretty. Aw, fruits. These are so cute. Perfect for summer. Okay, these are for French, which is great. I've been wanting some of these because I've been trying to do more French nails and I suck with those smile lines. What is this? Calypso LED gel. This is the... I feel like boxes are so hard to open nowadays. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look at that. I'm assuming it's gonna be rose gold. Come on. Ah, do I open it? Yes, let me open it. I just struggled so hard to get this open, but I was right. It's a really, really pretty rose gold color. I have like a gold one similar from Madame Glam, so I love these so much. These are so good. And I don't know if I mentioned, this is from Red Iguana. I've heard of them before and I've seen them, but I've never tried them, so I'm so excited. I want to try more of their stuff. Okay, so we have more glitters here. Can never have enough glitters. I do want to get into, sorry, I suck with filming horizontally. I'm so used to filming for TikTok. But yeah, more glitters. Love that. There's so much stuff in here. Oh my gosh! Daily Charm Gel. I don't have that color. Girl, you spoiled me. Thank you so much. And you are introducing me to so many new brands. It's probably not good because then I'm gonna go broke. Okay, we got Whimsical here from Daily Charm. Oh my gosh, do you see that? It's a really pretty pink. Very, very pretty. And then, I don't know. Oh, nail. This is from Nail Lab or Libra Nail Lab? I don't know. This is an Ana Luisa. Ooh, pretty. This is like a deeper rose gold. I suck with explaining, like I said. Ooh. A no white top coat. I love no white top coats. This is from Bio Seaweed Gel. Never heard of them either. Got this. And a Unity All-in-One Healthier Gel. I've never heard of this. Base color, top, and strengthener all in one bottle. So that's really cool. Oh, it's in lavender. Ooh, very pretty. I love how she individually packaged everything. She actually has another giveaway open right now, guys, so go enter that. Or not, because then it'll give me more chances to win. Okay, so we have more gems. Aw, I see little teddy bears. What is this one? Okay, so we got some blue rhinestones. These are very pretty. It's like bubbly. So you can see that. And then we got the yellow version of this. I'm not too sure where those are from. And then we have like confetti glitter. That looks delicious. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh. My room is gonna be so glittery. Oh, look at that. Here are the bears. Are these the bears? Oh no, these are bows. No, you can see that. These are bows. And here are the bears. Aww. Those are cute. Oh my gosh, they're so tiny. Wow. I never really put charms on my nails like this, so that'll be fun to play with. Oh, we have some, looks like chrome powders. I love chrome powders. I don't have anything this color. Oh my gosh, this baby blue. Very pretty. It's like an iridescent. greenish tint. Ooh, that green. Look how pretty these are. What is this one? What are you? Oh, like a silver. Very pretty. I love chromes. And then it came with this brush here. That tool. Okay, just readjusted my tripod again because it keeps on moving down. Oh my gosh, Young Nails. I've never tried Young Nails and I've been wanting to. Oh my gosh. These are some glitters. Look how pretty. Are these like dip powders? Glitter powder. Full Beauty. I can't really read it. And then this one's a glitter. My room is gonna be so glittery after this. What is this? 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 What is it? I don't know what it is. You're gonna have to tell me. Yeah, I don't know. Is this, I don't know. I don't even want to try to guess. Is this like where you mix things? Like, tell me. I need to know. And then this has some, ooh, a little silicone mold. And it looks like it's for snowflakes. That is perfect for right now. I should try that. And then we have some nail foil tape. I've tried these before and I struggled, but they're so pretty. I'll have to practice more with those. I need to know what this is. It's killing me. Okay, what's next? What's next? Do you guys see how much is in this box? I feel like this is Christmas. Aww. This is making me happy. Oh, are these the ones that change colors underneath the UV? I think these are the color changing hearts. We'll have to see what colors I got. And then we got some pretty gold charms. Dotting tool, can never have enough. Oh my gosh, I just bought one of these. I wish I knew that this was in here. It's okay. It won't go to waste. Let's see what color these hearts change to if I can get to my lamp. I don't know how long they're supposed to go in for. Okay, here's the first one. Ooh, blue. Love that. Oh, these change pretty quick. I don't know if you can see they change back. Ooh, is this like a red? Was I supposed to keep it in longer? That's very pretty. I hope I'm not annoying to you guys. I don't really talk too much, but I'm super excited right now. So yeah. Oh, purple. These are so cool. I love these. My room is a mess right now. More glitters. What is this? A brush. Oh, is this like an ombre brush? That's cool. I love those. Some tweezers. These are very pretty. Like the oil slick. And then one of these. I have one, but I never really use it. I'm pretty sure it's what, for cuticles? Something like that. More glitters. Very pretty. These are like iridescent glitters. Look at that. I just reorganized my glitters, so now I'm gonna have to figure that out again. What is this? What is this? Artis Bio Seaweed Gel. What is it? What is it? Ooh, that is thick. What is it? I'm sorry. I know I'm probably annoying. I'm annoying myself. Self Art Experience Water Gel Artifacts. Turn any traditional color gel into easy to control nail arts and designs. Create automatic marble stripe flower. I'm gonna have to look into this because I am not too sure. But I am very intrigued. What's this? Beetles. Nail art liner brushes. I was just telling my sister I need to get more of these. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. Love it. I don't want this to end. I don't want it to end. This is so much fun. What did I do to deserve this? Oh no, I got a hole in my glove. Let's see, 3D Magic Gel. Ooh. I have never played with anything like this. Let's see if I can open this up. Okay, I am confused. I thought this was gonna be one of those hard gels that you can mold into things, but I'm not sure. I will have to look into that as well. Just says 3D Magic Gel. You guys will have to inform me on how to use this. Or I can inform myself. We got some Model 1s. I just ordered some Model 1s. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know where it is. I feel like it should have been here by now. I got some on Black Friday. Glitter nail gels. Where is my order? Now that I'm thinking about it, I need to track that down. That's not cool. Of course, more of these foils. I struggle so much with opening them. Let me go open them for you. Okay, I was not prepared for these. Look at this. Look at these glitters. Oh my goodness. Ugh, I love hollow. These hollow glitters have been having my heart lately. Look at that. That pink is so vibrant. I'm not much of a pink girl, but I love that. And then we have, I think this was silver. Oop! Look at that. It's just like crawling right back in there. Ugh, these are so pretty. I need to check on my order. I hope it didn't get lost in the mail. And what is this? A brush. Brush. Cool. Number 6. Looks like an application brush. I'm not too sure. I am not a pro, so don't quote me. Ooh, palette. Remove protective film. I'm assuming it's a palette for food contact. I'm just gonna say it's a palette, huh? Tell me if I'm wrong. Oh, is that it? Is that it? No, that's it. That is way more than I thought I was gonna be getting. I can't believe how much she gave me. Let me show you guys everything. I was gonna try to organize everything, but there is way too much. Look at this. She spoiled me so hard. Thank you so much. You know, I know I never really see your name anywhere on your socials, so I don't know if you know, if that's something you want out there, but I'm gonna call you E, just in case. Thank you so much, E. This is amazing. I truly appreciate this so much. You guys, like I said, her information will be down in the description. Go follow her. She has a giveaway open, and I think it'll be closing soon. So you can go do that or don't, so that way I have a better chance at winning again. Either way, go follow her. But yeah, thanks for watching my first video, guys. I hope you've been enjoying my shorts, and maybe now I will be creating more talking videos. Let me know if you will like that. Oh, I like that. I'm over here holding it vertical instead of horizontal. I gotta get used to it. All right, thanks guys, bye.